Good evening world, Hippy Trev here. Welcome back to another Cooking with Hippy Trev. Roll the intro.
It's the Hippy Trev cooking show. What will he cook this time? Who knows? Let's sit back and see what he makes. So start cooking already, Trev, for fuck's sake.
Cooking with Hippy Trev. Righto, well, back to another Cooking with Hippy Trev by popular demand again. Now, I'm going to try something different tonight. I'm going to try something different tonight that I've never really done before. I think I may have done these once in my life. I'm actually going to have a go at making an omelette, or thereabouts. So, like I said, never done this before. I don't even know the real recipe. I'm just going to chuck a few ingredients together and see how it works. The only thing I do know is, I asked Jo before she left, and she said shell. All she said was just make sure you cook it on a slow heat. So I'm going to put in 6 eggs. I don't know how many eggs you're supposed to use, but I'm going to use 6. And I do actually have a real whisk. Look at that. I've had this for ages. I think I'm not sure who gave me this whisk actually. Might have only been my natural mum that gave me this. No, whisk up a few eggs. Now I'm not going to add salt and pepper because before Jo left, she bought this jar of olives, and apparently they're stuffed with anchovies, and I ate one and they're so salty. So I've decided to use some anchovies. Cut up some anchovy. I've chose to use some olives stuffed with anchovies, which should truly make for the salt and the saltiness of it all. I'm going to whisk that together. Now, I've pre-chopped everything, so I'm going to throw some bacon, some olives. So I've got bacon, olives, sliced cheese, some tomato, and chopped up mushrooms. That should make a nice omelette, I reckon. Like I said, I've never done this before, so I've got no idea how this is going to work, or even if it is going to work. I might throw a bit more milk in there. There we go. Mix that all together. I actually think I need to put a couple more eggs in there. What do you reckon? 2 more eggs maybe? Yeah, I reckon another 2 eggs. This will be a full-on meal. Yum, yum. All right, let's get that all stirred in. That should be enough of that. I'll get the pan on. Now, like Jo said, cook on a low heat, so that way you don't burn anything and it cooks all the way through. So we're going to try and do that. Just let that warm up a bit. Throw a bit of butter in. So, first time cooking an omelette. Okay, so I'm still waiting to hear from Calypso if and when he's going to bring his bike over. And we'll get into that. I've took cute Jodie up to meet Harry the other day. That was really good. She was asking him about getting some maybe head work done on her 64, 66 Triumph Thunderbird that she's had the last 40 years. You know, she's going to do a tear down on that. I might be helping with that, but she's just asked to go and see Harry for a bit of advice. So took her up and met him. That was pretty cool. I think I need to get my pan a little bit hotter than that. And yeah, still just cooking with butter, nothing else. I think the pan has to be somewhat hot. I can turn it down after. Let's get it up nice and hot. Bloody hot in the bus at the moment. Humidity's right up there. Still 29 degrees in here at the moment. And humidity's got to be up around 70–80%, and there's supposed to be showers coming down. So, all right, let's get that in there. Where is that? I got one of those rubbery things somewhere. Thought I did. I have somewhere, but anyway. All right. So let's see how that cooks. Now it's probably a bit too hot. I think I probably put too much milk in there. It is boiling around the sides, so do I turn that down a bit? It's got to cook a long way through. I'm not really sure what I'm doing here, worlds. I'm just having a go. Still pretty watery. I'm going to turn the heat up a bit more. So I've got no idea what I'm doing here. Hopefully I'm not burning the bottom of it all. I hope this is working, because I'm starving. Absolutely starving. I can smell the eggs cooking now. I wonder if that means I'm burning them. Right, I'm going to turn the heat down. I don't want to burn anything. Still too watery on top to do any. I can't really flip it, otherwise I'll just end up with scrambled eggs. Yeah, it's cooking. I'll just let that cook for a little bit more. Turn the heat down. Oh shit, I was going to put onions with it, but I forgot to cut up the onion. I even bought an onion and I forgot to chop up the onion. Okay. Still very watery. It's cooking underneath. I'm supposed to bloody flip this and I don't think I can. Too watery. I think I must put too much milk in there. Too much of everything in there. I think I boogered this up, worlds. Oh well, such is life. Maybe I just run the juice off or something. Oh, I think this is turning into a flop. Well, it's not burning underneath yet, but definitely think I put too much milk in. It's still so watery. Well, I'm going to turn the heat up again. See if I can cook that water out of there. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing here. And I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to take this long. Yeah, I'm starting to burn it. I can smell burnt going on. It's starting to burn under there. What do I do? Just try and flip it over, or? Oh yeah, well, that's just burning. I'm making a huge fucking mess. Oh, I fucked this up completely. No. I'll just turn it over now. That's it, it's burning. Alright, well, I've made a mess of this. Yep, made a complete mess of that. Literally. I'll throw a bit more butter in, that probably won't help much either. What a disaster. Complete and utter disaster. Complete and utter balls up. Yeah, look, complete and utter mess. Oh well, I'll still eat it because I'm starving. Still got eggs and bacon in there, so I'll still eat that as well, but that is one big hell of a fucking mess. Alright, well there you go, this is how not to make a perfect omelette. Yep, what a mess. Complete disaster. Oh well. Got to try though, don't you? When I do. Got to have a go at these things. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Simple as that. It actually smells good, it just looks a fucking mess. Complete and utter mess. Fuck, it's hot in here. I'm sweating like a pig. Well, I guess we call that scrambled eggs. Instead of an omelette, we have scrambled eggs. Alright, I'm going to call that cooked. It's as good as it's going to get, I reckon. God, there's a shitload of it. Fallen in love with paper towel. This stuff's great. Best way to keep your pan clean. Absolutely. Look at that. Righto worlds. Poached egg. They're pretty much turned into scrambled eggs. Anyway, it's still a feed and I'm hungry, so I'll just let that cool down a bit, throw a bit of dead horse over the top of it and just munch it all down because I'm bloody well starving and I need to eat something. So anyway, I'd pretty much call that a failure. So cooking with Hippy Trev, failure. Definitely a failure on that one. But anyway, like I said, I've never done omelettes before. I have no idea of the recipe. I didn't even really look it up. I just went by guesswork, and all I remember is Joe saying, cook on a low heat. So, but anyway, worlds, that's tea for the night. So anyway, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and we'll catch you later. Bye.